Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today's video about the L180H Volvo loader. I am sitting inside a cabin and show you. Problem is that this machine, its alternator is not working. I show you. Here you can see is a battery sign is not coming, but when I check inside its a system, so you can this time machine is a starting position. Machine is start and still is coming 23.4 voltage are coming. This system is showing that my alternator is not working. So now I will also go outside and check the voltages on the alternator. Okay, so here you can see the voltages are very low, so therefore my batteries are not charging. Now I will check the voltage on the alternator. I have came to my engine side. This is my alternator. You can see this is my alternator. I checked the voltage are 23.1 volt. Okay, so my alternator is not charging. So I am going to off my machine and will remove the alternator and will check what is the issue. So here's I have disconnected the battery. So now I'm going to remove my alternator. Okay, so in off camera I will remove this alternator and will dismantle it and will check what is the problem to this alternator. Okay, so in off camera I'm going to remove. Okay, first I will remove this cable, and this one is my connector, and this one is my ground cable, and after that I will remove this bolt and this downside one. Okay, so I will take it out. As you can see, I have removed my alternator, but its pulley is okay, pulley no problem. Okay, this one pulley is okay. I think the problem is a carbon brush is most probability. So as you can see, I not take it to my workbench. I actually on the site I have tried to disassemble this alternator. So because my workshop is very far from here, so I just only for checking what is the issue, I remove it on the site. So here is only one. I remove one bolt here from one nut here and one nut from here, and this is one screw is here. I already have this open it. Okay, so here is also you can too much dust is here, so need to clean. First I check my carbon brushes here. First remove this screw and this one screw, and after it I will now this screw is also here. Okay, so in off camera I will also remove this area and then let you know inside where is the issue. Most probability I think the issue is carbon brushes, but people can see I have removed 1, 2 and 3 screws from here. So now I will just take it out. So you can see there's carbon brushes are finished. Okay, so here's one problem I have showed you already. This carbon brushes has gone. Okay, so second problem you can see here, this area is a finish is a big problem here as also. So you can see the slip rings where carbon brushes are holding are damaged very badly. So I need to this alternator take to my workbench and disassemble it, and will show you the condition inside here. Maybe you can see or not, but here my router, the carbon where the carbon brushes are holding are very badly damaged. Okay, here's the you can see. So I will disassemble this alternator and show you its internal conditions. So viewers, I disassembled the alternator. Now I am cleaning this area which one is damaged and show you after cleaning how much this one is damaged. So viewers, you can say I have disassembled this alternator in front of you, and you can see this is a problem. Okay, so this is a router's slip rings has broken. Okay, so this one is we can't use it. Okay, so I have other three alternator. I have a spare with me, so I will try to check which one is the router is good one. Okay, this one is, I can see the router is looking good one. If this one fixed to here, so I will fix this router. I will disassemble this one. Okay, this one or this one, which one is a good one, so I will remove the router from here and fix to here. Okay, so after it also you can see this is also problem, so I will buy a new regulator. I also fix the regulator, also other regulator one. Okay, first I check the routers from these alternators, which one is good, so I will fix it here. As you can see, I have found this router, okay, from my scrap, so I am going to fix this router in place of this one. This one is broken, so I am going to fix this one. Okay, so be with me. So I will remove this also bearing and fix it here. After it, this will be ready, and I fix this router to my alternator. So here you can see I have removed the bearing from here and fix it here, and also I clean this stator. You can see here was before it there was too much dirty. Now I clean it and I'm going to fix it here. Okay, so please with me. So viewers, you can see I have fixed this router to this stator, but my problem is not solved. Why? Because this router is jammed here. So my router is jammed, is not moving. It means this router is not matched to this stator. So my problem is not solved, but the main topic of this video was the problem, to find the problem, what is the problem of the alternator, why it is not charging. So you understand the problem was the router was damaged. So you understand the problem was this, the router was damaged. Now I will buy the new alternator and fix back to the machines. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.